Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we are going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior. I'm going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features of this 335D M Sport Saloon. The exterior of the car is presented in the Estral Blue, and alongside that we've added a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car, and we've also had the 19-inch 442M alloy wheels fully refurbished in the original Bi-Orbit grey. Alongside that we've added 4 brand new tyres. So at the front of the car you'll see it's a 2016 16 plate, also has the very nice LED headlamps. And when we move on down the side of the car, sitting behind those alloy wheels, you'll see there that the vehicle does have the M Sport Plus brakes. That is thanks to the vehicle being equipped with BMW's fantastic M Sport Plus pack. And of course I'll go over what's included in that just in case you're unsure in a bit more detail shortly. Down the side of the car you should be able to see there that it's very nicely presented, and of course our satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. Again, included in that M Sport Plus pack you'll see the sun protection glazing, and I'll move on for our first glance at the interior, which for this car is the very nice black Dakota leather, which for the front seats comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options. And hopefully you should be able to pick it up there on the camera that everything is very nice, clean and tidy. We also have the Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. And again, for the interior trim, we have the very matching aluminum hexagon with Estral Blue accents. Of course, being the 335D, we've not only get that superb twin turbo engine, we've got an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox and of course X-Drive 4-wheel drive. Moving towards the rear, you'll find the Isofix 3-seat rear bench, a centre folding armrest, and again a darkened M Sport headlining of course. And once again, everything is exceptionally clean and tidy in the back of this car. Showing you once more the very nice freshly refurbished alloy wheels before we head towards the rear of the vehicle. At the back we've added both the gloss rear diffuser and a matching rear boot spoiler, as you can see there. The vehicle also has, as a nice optional extra, a rear-facing reversing camera, which of course I'll show you shortly. Opening that up reveals a very large boot space along with your genuine floor mats, which will of course accompany the car. Moving towards the other side, again the Estral Blue really does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car. And we're going to give you one final last look at the 19-inch wheels before we head on into the inside, because there is yet more special things to show you around. We've also got the driver comfort package, which includes the power folding mirrors and a few other features which I'll get onto. Starting the car up, immediately you'll be able to see that very nice professional wide navigation and media screen, and starting with the rear facing reversing camera, which comes of course with both front and rear parking sensors. And I'm just going to pop the car back into park to quieten everything back down. Satellite navigation, of course, we've got Bluetooth for telephone and audio, DAB radio, and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well, including USB, AUX, music collection, and of course I've already mentioned it, the Bluetooth audio. Down here is where we'll find the dual climate control and the switches for the heated seats. And if we take a look over here onto the main dashboard display, you can see this is a very low mileage car, having only covered just over 27,000 miles, of course still being on a 2016 16 plate as we've already seen. Over here, again as part of that driver comfort package, we've got the high beam assist function, of course toggling to high to low beam for you, saving you the hassle and of course keeping you less distracted from the controls. It also comes with full BMW service history, and again I can quickly show you that now because thanks to the onboard digital service history. Again, you'll see on there now that everything is highlighted in the green, and the next service is not due for 16,000 miles time. And as you can see there, we've got full BMW service history with this lovely 335D M Sport Saloon. So of course, thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course been able to find it useful. For further information, remember to look down below in the description, where of course you'll be able to look through onto our website, or if not, get in touch with us here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much. Do of course take care. We hope to see you soon. Thank you and goodbye.